everyone, it's Marky. Today I just wanted to talk about these Snak Club gummy rings. They are absolutely one of my favorite snacks of all time. This is the watermelon flavor, and they're actually covered in Tajin, which is like a chili and lime seasoning. They're not spicy. These are really mild. My kids like them too, but just having like kind of the salty, sweet, little bit of spice makes them so freaking delicious. This is what they look like. So they are little red and green rings, and then you can see that it does have like the tahini on there. Absolutely delicious. They are gluten-free and they're also vegan, which is hard to find in a gummy snack. So I love that about them. It's only 110 calories per serving. This is a 5-ounce bag. Depends on how much you like them because they go fast in my house, but they are so good and so worth it. So if you were looking for a new, maybe fun summer snack, I would highly recommend that you look into this one. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.